Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's 6:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to go to airport because I'm going to Florida. As I mentioned in my last video that I will be going to mom's house to wind up the house because no one lives there now. But as you can see, it was raining, it was cloudy, there was a thunderstorm out there, so this flight had many turbulence. And actually I was scared in the flight. I was hoping that I can make it. And anytime I go to Florida, I'm always happy, I'm always excited, but this time it was totally different because I need to make the biggest decision in my life to what to do with the house, as well as what do I need to do with all the stuff that's in there. Mom and dad been living in that house for more than 20 years, so as you can imagine, there's everything in the house. And now, yes, everything belongs to me, everything is mine, and I need to make the decision for it. Since I live so far away, I cannot give that much attention to that house as well as all the stuff. So I need to make decision whether I want to keep some of the stuff, I want to donate, and the things that I want to get rid of it. So I had a very mixed emotional, and so many memories were coming back while I was going there. Since I was going there for a week, I had many things in my list which I need to take care of it. So whether I keep the house or sell the house, I still need to empty the house. And I did not had any help, guys. I did every single thing by myself. So finally, it was a touchdown, and as you can see in Florida, the weather was so nice. It was bright and sunny, and that's it. I just need to get the rented car, go home, because most of the time when my parents were there, they are always there to pick me up, but not anymore, guys. Hey guys, so I made it to Florida. I just got my rental car, so now I'm heading home. So guys, I'm inside the house now, and I just basically came and opened all the windows as well as the doors so the air can come, but it is different, guys. It's so different, and I don't know. So today is a day 2 at mom's house, and yesterday I took care of kitchen, pantry, one of the bathroom, master bedroom, living room, and today I'm working with the other 2 bedrooms. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the piles which I have it here, how I organize it, and hopefully if you guys are moving, then this video can helpful to you guys. But again, believe me guys, this is not easy for me at all to go through this stuff and get rid of it, or maybe donate, or whatever the things I'm doing here. It is very hard process for me at this point, but I'm being very strong. Yesterday I had a few moments here and there that I just could not be strong enough to handle it, but so far so good, because I don't have that many days here to take care of all the stuff. I need to hurry up, go back, and I'm doing my best, and my target is basically just to get everything done before I leave. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have here. So I do have few of the things here that it's basically donations. So Salvation Army, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that picture. Probably I want to take that picture. Few of the things are over there. Then these are the things, again, donate. And yes, as you can see guys, these are mostly from kitchen as well as donation, or we can sell it, that kind of thing. And there is a few things here also. And this is the kitchen, and as you can see, everything is out. Let me open the blind actually. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, I clean out all the cabinets. Everything from the cabinets it's out here. So these are all the stuff that needs to go, and I do have the other company. They're gonna come and help me with all this stuff. So this is a dining table. The pantry is empty, And this is the family room, but of course I just have the pile of stuff here, but these are the things that needs to go. So this is it, guys. This is it. So I'm making progress here, and again, as I mentioned, it's not the easy process. So once you come from the family room, this is the hallway, this is the bathroom that I empty out everything there, so there is nothing in here. This is the mom's room, and yes, she used to sleep right there, guys, right there. So I took care of that also. The closet is empty, and everything else is here empty too. This is our puja room. Dad used to sit right there and do the puja. Again, I took care of all these things. You know, I still have few of the stuff that I need to take care of it, but this is it. This is Dad's office kind of thing, as well as the puja room. And God knows, guys, he has spent hours and hours sitting over there and doing puja. So this room was the hardest room for me to take care of it. I found two beautiful dolls from mom's room. These are so cute, especially their dress. It's crocheted, and it just looks so beautiful. Since we have a lake behind our house, we always have a duck around. So today, as soon as I pulled my car, these two ducks came from nowhere, and I think they were hoping that I might have a food for them, but no, I didn't have anything. And this is the lake view from our house, and these are the orange trees. So orange trees, as well as the strawberry farm, you can find it almost everywhere in Florida. So it was a day 3, and I usually start my day around 8 o'clock. I do whatever I need to do inside the house up to 5-6 o'clock, and then I used to go to my friend's house. But since it's afternoon, I'm done with entire house. I know exactly where everything is going. So I thought, let me just go to mall, see what's out there, relax there, because from this last 3 days, I had enough emotional situation were there. And if I sit inside the house, and obviously more memories come back, and then it was just getting very tough for me. So I went to mall. I was just walking around everywhere, going to different stores. So while I was walking, I found this interesting place. He had a raw mango, and all these toppings you can mix and match with the mango. So basically, he peeled the skin, then he was spiralizing this entire mango. I haven't seen something like this where I live, so obviously it was kind of interesting for me, and anything that has to do with the raw mango, I love it. So I ended up buying 3 containers. Obviously, all 3 were not for me. I bought it for my friend also, but I bought one with the honey, as well as I had to have something spicy, so I bought it with the chili pepper. And very next day, I went there again because I loved it so much. And it's a fresh, you know, it fill you up, and it was really yummy. Second interesting thing I found it over there was this juice bar. She had all these different fresh juices were there. You can mix and match however you like it, and the one that I liked the most were the cucumber, because she had a small cucumber bites were in there, so it tastes really good. And again, you can mix and match however you like it. So very first day when I went there, I bought 1 cup. I really loved it, but then of course I had that mango, so I was full. But the day I was coming back here, I was kind of early to go to airport, so I was like, let me stop by there and get more juices so I have something to drink while I was going to the airport. So I ended up buying 2 more that day, but the one that I really like was the tamarind. That was really good. You know, you can mix and match. The very first day when I got it, I got the tamarind, mango, pineapple, and that tastes really good. So this is the mango, pineapple, and tamarind, and she put a little bit of strawberry on it. And this is the second time when I got it. Also, there is a Mexican restaurant called Tijuana. I always go there. And this is the second restaurant. It's called Sweet Tomato. They have nothing but the salad, pasta, soup, bakery item is there, and everything is buffet. So you can eat as many times as you want. So whenever I go to Florida, I always go to this place, no matter what. This Sweet Tomato, again, it's not, we don't have this where I live. So my anytime whenever I go to Florida, I always have to go to Sweet Tomato and the Tijuana flat because it is like a Taco Bell but much better choice than Taco Bell, and it is really good place. So I had to go to this restaurant. I went there, had so much fun. But again, guys, you know, as I mentioned, it was not easy. It was not easy at all for me to go through the stuff. Even the Sweet Tomato, you know, because every time when mom and dad were there, we used to go to this restaurant together, and they even love this restaurant so much. So when you go there, you know, all the memories come back, and but still, I was very strong. I hold myself very strong, thinking, you know, I had to go through this, I had to do this. And I did it, guys. I finished my entire house the way I handle everything. I'm so proud of myself that, you know, I finished everything within a less than a week actually. And it's time to come back. So here I'm coming back, and this is it, guys. So thank you so much. If you have watched this far, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.